It's hard to understand why asking the right questions doesn't always lead to good answers.
The subscriber you have dialed is not in service.
Yeah, it's a mess.
This is Hunter Allen.
Everybody's pointing fingers, no solutions.
He wants solutions regarding this car specifically, a 2016 Infiniti Q50.
Nice car, all-wheel drive. It was going to be perfect for the winter time.
Perfect enough for Hunter to purchase in June of 2022. He took out a $20,000 loan from Idaho Central Credit Union. He took it home that day, but it didn't last long.
I mean, I've been without a vehicle for 6 months and paying for one.
ByrdDawg Motors sold him the car, but Hunter says they never gave him or ICCU the title. Normally, ByrdDawg should have signed the title over to ICCU during or shortly after the sale.
My bank came looking about a month later for, where's the title at?
That's because another bank owns the title, Farm Bureau Financial Services. They hold an outstanding lien on the car and repossessed it in September, leaving Hunter with a legal obligation to pay off a car loan for a car he doesn't have.
I spend all this money on the interest and the $20,000 and I don't get a title. ICCU doesn't have a title for me. I don't get a car.
Court documents show ByrdDawg's insurance company is suing the dealership. The lawsuit names 34 people who may be in the same position as Hunter, and the insurance company doesn't want to pay any of them. The insurance bond is worth $20,000. Hunter's share of the payout would only be a few $100.
It's not worth the legal fees to try to fight it because there's such a small amount.
Shane Bangachea is Hunter's attorney.
And one reason I took the case is I realized it wasn't a mess that he had gotten himself into. It was somebody else's mess that he ended up getting into.
Bangachea tried to work with Hunter's bank, ICCU, and the title owner, Farm Bureau. He says the easiest solution is if one of the banks waives their lien and voluntarily forfeits the car. But that's been a tough sell.
Farm Bureau has the title. They're like, well, too bad, so sad for you. I mean, we've got the title to the car.
A 2004 Kootenai County District Court case shows a similar situation. It ruled the original lien holder must forfeit the title, but district courts hold no legal precedent in any other district. So there's no way to know for sure if Hunter's case would be successful.
So the only way he can resolve this is through litigation, and the thing is, by the time he goes through litigation, he's spend more than the car.
Because it's already switched hands, it's been repossessed. I don't want anything to do with the car. Yeah, the loan needs to go.
Court documents show the state of Idaho filed a lawsuit against ByrdDawg's owner, Adam Bain, in March of 2022 for a vehicle dealer lien satisfaction violation. Bain failed to appear at his most recent court date in September. 2 days later, public records show the judge ordered a warrant for his arrest. Right here on the corner of Curtis and Overland is where ByrdDawg Motors was originally located. It's a new business now. It's called On the Spot Auto Detail. This new business has no relation to Adam Bain, but the new owner tells us people are coming in here. They're upset and they're looking for Adam Bain. But Bangachea tells us finding Adam Bain doesn't solve Hunter's problem either.
He's not going to be able to pay it back unless he wins the lottery or something. I don't know how he's going to pay it back. And that's why I tell people, if you're going for somebody, you need to think about if they take out bankruptcy, if they don't have any assets, because you may get a judgment that's worth nothing.
I will say that there are multiple complaints filed against this dealer.
The Idaho Transportation Department stripped ByrdDawg Motors of their dealership license in July.
About vehicles that, they couldn't get the titles for.
ITD says to protect yourself, people should check the status of the car title they're interested in buying. You can run the VIN on ITD's website to see if there's an outstanding lien. In the case of this Infiniti, ITD's website clearly shows the car is owned by a bank, despite the sale application from ByrdDawg saying otherwise. That's gotten the attention of the Better Business Bureau.
We have a notice up there that, hey, be aware if you are trying to do business here.
Dale Dixon is the BBB's Chief Innovation Officer.
Please do your research. Know the business. Start at bbb.org and look at the business profile. See what this business is doing with other customers. You can read customer reviews. We do an in-depth vetting of every business on that website to make sure that it's appropriately licensed, that it's giving customers a good experience.
Bangachea says that was ICCU's responsibility.
I didn't know all the things about buying a loan, and my loan officer was new.
Who goes in to buy a car and thinks that when they go to purchase the car, when they get a loan, that their lender isn't protecting them somehow.
It's advice at the very least.
Correct.
But
absolutely.
For Hunter,
yeah, been fighting it ever since.
It's too little, too late.
The wireless customer you are calling is not available.